5 Best Shopify Apps Every Store Owner Needs 2022. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. 5. Collab Pay. Auto split payments and calculate earnings. Collab Pay is brilliant for any store that needs to pay a collaborator of a product, vendor, or supplier. They allow you to connect your PayPal account and automatically pay them their cut of the sales on the payout dates you have set. To use Collab Pay, all you need to do is add a collaborator to a product and set the percentage of how much they earn from each sale. It essentially calculates everything and fully automates the process. Key features: auto payouts, stats reporting, vendor login and reports, flat fee or percent, multi-currency support, cross-border payments. 4. Coin by Shop Ad. Auto currency switcher based on IP address. Again, Shopify has some great features these days, one of which is Shopify Multi-Currency. They teamed up with payment processor Stripe to create Shopify Payments a couple of years ago. This has been a great success for Shopify as it's a no-brainer to go for on-card checkout payments. For Shopify owners, they slashed the transaction fee to 0% when using Shopify Payments to give an incentive for store owners to use it. Of course, since this has now increased to a 2.9% fee. Check out our Shopify tips and tricks blog to find out how to use Shopify Multi-Currency. So one highly suggested and tested app to show your customers the prices in their currency that is compatible with Shopify Payments is Coin by Shop Ad. We tested this on our stores and works wonders. Feel free to check it out here. Once you set up Coin, it can read the IP address of the customer and show them their currency without them having to go to the currency selector and change it themselves. This avoids friction when a customer goes to your store, which some store owners find valuable. Key features: 190 plus currencies, currency selector drop-down, automatic currency detection, conversion rounding, multi-currency checkout with Shopify Payments. 3. Downloadable digital assets, digital product delivery. If you sell digital products, then Downloadable Digital Assets app is the way forward. This is the leading app in digital downloads as it provides some unique features that no other download app has. Some features this app has are the ability to not send the download link to fraudulent orders, attach multiple files to one product, add the download links to the summary page and customer accounts, customization of email templates, and much more. If you want to see more information on the digital downloads app for Shopify, check this blog out. Key features: PDF stamping, stats, assets by URL, attach personalized products to orders, thank you page and customer account downloads, fraud protection, customize email templates, download limitations, email tracking, custom email address, set IP limitations. Number 2. Picky Story Bundle Upsell. Picky Story helps you sell more products to each customer and turn more store visitors into buyers. By offering product bundles and deals throughout your store, you can tempt your customers into a larger purchase, increasing your AOV and store revenue. Offer bundles of related products on your product pages, set up galleries of shoppable looks, offer bundles as a single product, and much more. Optional flexible discounts can be added to every deal, including BOGO and free product offers. Inventory is automatically tracked at SKU level for each of the individual SKUs within any bundle or deal. Plus, deals are set up with clicks and can be easily dragged and dropped onto your store's pages. No code required. Key features: unlimited bundles, combos, BOGO kits, lookbook, builders, gifts, stack details and coupons, integrations, chat/email support. Number 1. Pagefly Page Builder. This app is one of the most important if you want to customize your pages in detail. When customizing with the themes options on Shopify, you are quite limited with where you want to place things and you cannot change much. But what Pagefly has done is allow you to fully customize your page. You can do pretty much everything you can think of when it comes to designing a page. You can add additional CSS, move images and text, heading tags, and also integrate with other apps. The user interface has been getting getting much better over the years too. Its design is really easy to use. Once you understand how the interface works with columns and sections, then it's super easy. You don't need to use code to make it work. Anyone can use this. Some features you get are creating blogs, product pages, collection pages, and much more. Key features: 24/7 live chat support, get extra 20 slots for $15 a month. Priority support live chat and video call, speed optimization support. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.